two functions, f of x and g of x, are defined on the set of real numbers by f of x is 3x squared minus 2, and then g of x is x plus 3. We're asked to find the value of the f inverse of g of 4. Okay, so how do we solve this? Pay attention, this is composition of functions. Now, our f of s, which is the same thing as y, is 3x squared minus 2. And then our g of x is x plus 3. Now we are asked to compose g inside of the inverse of f. So first we are going to look for the inverse of f of x. And so that would imply that y is equals to 3x squared minus 2. My aim is to make x the subject. So I will move y this way by having y plus 2 will give me 3x squared. I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So I'll have my y plus 2 divided by 3 will be equals to 3x squared divided by 3. So this will take this down. Therefore, my x squared is equals to y plus 2 over 3. So I have to get the root. So my x will be plus minus root of y plus 2 divided by, okay, let me write it here, okay, divided by 3. So because I want to make it as a function of f, I'm going to convert this y to the x. So my f of the inverse of x will be equals to plus minus root x plus 2 divided by 3. So this becomes the inverse of this function. Now, but we're asked to compose g inside of the inverse of f. So what is g? G is x plus 3. So wherever I see x, I'll put x plus 3. So my composition now will be g of x will now be plus minus root of. Wherever I see x, I'll put x plus 3 and then plus 2 divided by 3. Because this x now is what I will use to compose g inside of the inverse. So my f prime of inverse of g of x will now be plus minus root 3 plus 2 give me 5, so I will have x plus 5 divided by 3. So I've gotten the composition, but we are asked to do that at a point to find the value where x is equals to 4. So what that means is wherever I see x, I'll put 4. We have to first transform the whole expression, compose them to have my expression, and then insert the value of x to be equals to 4. So my evaluation for g of x at x equals 4 will now be plus minus root of 4 plus 5 divided by 3. And 4 plus 5 will give me 9. If I divide 9 by 3, I'm going to have 3. Therefore, the value of this function, if I compose g, is equals to plus minus root 3. So this is how you solve this kind of problem. Please follow our page, like this video, and share to someone who may want it.